right, I got Tudors today. I got an iced coffee. Yo,
careful, that John.
Anybody else dealing with this shit where like you're where all the soda, yo, all the soda tastes like shit. Tell me. Okay, we just got out the drive-thru and the food's fresh as fuck. I got myself a crispy chicken sandwich. Okay, it's just regular. It
won't be me if I ain't staring.
Some Texas beat hot sauce, and I'm gonna just put hot sauce all over that motherfucker. I'm gonna take a bite. Let me think if it's foodie, man. Okay. Y'all.
Fire. Bite for bite.
My husband got the cheeseburger. Yo, I don't know how the fuck that fry got attached.
That's good. That's good. Babe, taste that cheese. They good. That cheese good as hell. It's like cheese.
We got a couple of cheese. I got the fries, y'all.
Fresh.
They're so fresh. All right.
Right, that cheese, all right? Like cheese whiz, right?
They're like the type of hot where you gotta blow out your mouth and shit. You got seriously. Ooh, ketchup, y'all. Oh my god, but that's so fucking hot.
Hey, Tudors, okay, I see you. Yeah, that shit good with the hot sauce.
That shit fire with some hot sauce. Is that really good?
That's your first time tasting that chicken sandwich? Yeah, already good.
Put cheese and hot sauce on my fries. Well, it's so fucking hot.
It's a good problem though, right? It's
Yeah.
fresh.
I'm pretty sure their caramel one is good too. Bitch, I'm just not that girl. I'm not a caramel girly, and trust me, I tried. But I like caramel candy, so it's weird as shit.